Research that enabled progress through creativity and innovation has accelerated at a staggering pace since the 1940s. Breakthroughs in technology, space travel, as well as evaluating our past and understanding our planet have been exciting topics during this time. For 8 decades, the Dublin Institute for Advanced Studies, or DIAS, has been at the forefront of that research and has continually explored the big questions of the 21st century and beyond. DIAS has pushed the boundaries to explore and discover the unknown. Today, the institution continues to pioneer in its main disciplines of Celtic studies, theoretical physics, astrophysics and geophysics. It has become a shining jewel in Ireland's significant scientific contribution to the world. Founded in 1940 by the Taoiseach Eamon de Valera, who through skillful negotiation and an impending war convinced Nobel Prize winner Erwin Schrödinger to be the first director of its School of Theoretical Physics. By 1943, Schrödinger had delivered the What is Life lectures, which were on their way to becoming an influential little book by the same name. That little book is acknowledged publicly by Crick, Watson and Wilkins to have significantly influenced and inspired their discovery of DNA. At the same time, the School of Celtic Studies began with Osborne J. Bergen at the helm in 1940. 6 years later, the first volume of Celtica was published. It remains the foremost journal for Celtic studies worldwide. In 1947, the School of Cosmic Physics was established, and ownership of the Dunsink Observatory was transferred from Trinity College Dublin. Spearheaded by DIAS, the first ever cross-border agreement between Northern Ireland and the Republic was signed that same year, leading to the international sharing of the large astronomical equipment for the first time. Reflecting the trend of attracting international talent to Ireland, Lános Genosi became the first head of the Cosmic Rays section of the Astrophysics Department, and Leo Polak is appointed the first head of Geophysics. Polak goes on to propose that the Earth is getting warmer, and skerries in Dublin could be like the south of France in years to come. In 1960, J.L. Singh published Relativity, the General Theory, emphasizing its geometrical aspects, and throughout the 60s, DIAS became the leading world centre for research in general relativity. This work had a profound influence on the work of Penrose and Hawking, on black holes and the geometry of the universe. In 1972, and in partnership with University of Berkeley, DIAS professors Dennis O'Sullivan and Alex Thompson work on the first ever Irish experiment in space on the lunar surface as part of the NASA Apollo 16 mission, launching space physics research in Ireland. The Irish National Seismic Network was established in 1978, a key national resource in detecting earthquakes and other seismic activity. DIAS operates and maintains this resource. That same year, D.A. Binchy's Corpus Juris Hibernici is published. This key publication was the fruit of 30 years of work on early Irish law texts, the Brehon Laws, and laid the foundation for study in this area. It profoundly changed perceptions and understandings on all aspects of early Irish history and society. DIAS researcher Brian Jacob starts a new project in 1987 in cooperation with University of Hamburg and UCD. This leads to an expansion of Ireland's maritime territory by the mid-90s. In 1999, the Irish Script on Screen project was launched as one of the first specialist manuscript digitisation projects established in Ireland, and one of the longest running in Europe. Contributing to the conservation of valuable books and documents, it made primary materials of Ireland's cultural heritage available to scholars and students. Throughout the 90s and early 2000s, Cosmic Physics had the first Irish experiments performed on the International Space Station, the launch of the HESS telescope. Work on space technology continues to this day. Also in 2000, DIAS professor John T. Lewis founds Corvil, which would become a major telecommunications analytics company. Geophysicists in 2016 and 2017 were busy building critical insights into understanding volcanoes and the structure of the Earth's upper crust, leading to improved forecasting of volcanic eruptions. In 2018, DIAS Dunsink Observatory was designated a European Site of Historical Significance by the European Physical Society. DIAS seeks to understand the complex underlying mathematical principles of everything, to understand through advanced physics our universe, our planet, and our island, and to understand ourselves as a people both past and present, with insights from Celtic studies. We will continue to reach for the stars, listen to our planet, explore worlds through words, and unravel the mysteries of quantum, infinity, and beyond. DIAS discovers.